Assembly Member Rebecca Kahan right here at AIA Diwali celebrations. Happy Diwali!
Thank you. Happy Diwali to you.
So this is so festive, you know, so many people are around and we have divinity in the air, cultural celebrations on full swing. What's your best part?
Oh, I love being with the community and sharing in your cultural celebration. It is beautiful to be together again.
So, had you heard about Diwali before this?
I have. I grew up celebrating Diwali with friends for years. Yes, I love it.
What is on YoIndiaTV? दिवाली पर्व है पुरुषार्थ का, दीप के दिव्यार्थ का। देहरी पे दीप जगमग एक जलता रहे, अंधकार से निरंतर युद्ध यह चलता रहे। हारेगी हर बार अंधियारे की यह घोर कालिमा, जीतेगी हर बार उजियारे की स्वर्ण लालिमा। झिलमिल रोशनी में निवेदित दिवाली की ढेर सारी शुभकामना। यो इंडिया टीवी के समूह दर्शकों को मैं जसलीन खनूजा दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। I, Jasleen Khanuja, on behalf of the entire crew of Yo India TV, would like to extend our warmest wishes of Deepavali on this beautiful occasion of DUSSEHRA Diwali Dhamaka, where we are here with the festivities in full swing by Association of Indo-Americans AIA team and David Hubert, the supervisor of Alameda County. As you see, a number of dignitaries are here and are enjoying with the public, and thousands of people have gathered and are enjoying the beautiful festivities. There are booths all around, there are kids activities, rangoli and different jump houses, swings, etc. It's a full swing carnival with multiple booths, so many cultural events from morning through evening, followed by the burning of the effigy of Ravan, or the Ravan Dahan, which is supposed to be a great attraction because a 25-foot Ravan is probably never seen around, at least locally here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Plus some of the great events, like some of the great activities like the Rath Yatra, which was done not just by dignitaries but a lot of people in a very pious and divine fashion, followed by the Maha Aarti, were great attractions of the event. Hope you will enjoy these wonderful festivities on Yo India TV and celebrate this wonderful occasion. Wish a warm greeting and prosperity to all the viewers by us on this wonderful occasion. Keep celebrating and keep rocking with us. Happy Diwali!
शाम है क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके
Diwali to all of you, and we are at the Festival of Lights being celebrated by none other than Association of Indo-Americans and David Hubert, our supervisor at Alameda County, who is very festive in his Indian attire and is going to pull the Rath Yatra through this rope.
It's my pleasure and my honor to be here, and I want to thank everybody that's having a good time here. We're going to be pulling the chariot here in a little bit, and I want to say Happy Diwali to everybody at Yo India and AIA, Association of Indo-Americans.
Wonderful. You know, there are so many booths here, the musical festivities, the cultural events are going on. Plus, we have a lot of divine elements here because Diwali is religious as well. What's your best part?
Oh, the dancing. I love the dancing. Now, I say the dancing. I can't wait to see the fireworks. I love the fireworks, and of course, I always love the food. So I can't wait to get some dinner.
Wonderful. Thank you for hosting this and keep celebrating and enjoying.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Vishwamitra visits Ayodhya and takes Ravan Lakshmi with him.
Are you having a good time? I would like to thank AIA and give them a proclamation for Hindu American Awareness and Appreciation Month as we celebrate Diwali, which is light conquering over darkness. Happy Diwali, everyone. Thank you very much. Okay, Assembly member.
We have the Alameda County District Attorney Terry at the Diwali festivities. Happy Diwali!
It's a great honor to be here. We're having a lot of fun with all the festivities and.
There is a line of people who are pulling the Rath here, and this is a beautiful occasion because this is very divine, you know, because it's all about the Lord Rama winning over Ravana. You know, this is the occasion where we celebrate the win of light over darkness and all the evil. So stay tuned in for more updates only on Yo India TV and keep enjoying Diwali. Happy Diwali to you and your family. It's a very prosperous occasion. It's a very beautiful occasion. And may the inner lights within you also light up and you feel that divinity.
Happy Diwali. Thank you very much. Happy Diwali to you and also all the viewers of YoIndiaTV. Here it's a big celebration. You can see not only Indian people, Indian community, but also you will see huge number of elected members of various councils, mayors, vice mayors, etc. It's a happy occasion, I think no, Diwali is now a world festival. It's not no restricted to India. Basically, people are enjoying after COVID, particularly. People are enjoying and then seeking the blessings you saw. And then I think this is the best way one can promote and preserve their own culture. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, we have Dave Hudson here, who is the mayor of San Ramon, attending these beautiful Diwali celebrations by AIA, and David Hubert, our supervisor. What's your message to the viewers on the occasion of Diwali?
If this keeps growing, we're going to have to go to the Coliseum next year, because I can tell you every event we've done in San Ramon doubles year after year after year. And what I saw in Milpitas, I couldn't park within a mile. So yes.
Happy Diwali, Vijaya. This is a beautiful event that you and your team has put up. I have not seen this scale of event with so much of enthusiasm here, The energy is really worth it. What's your feel as an organizer?
First of all, it is the team that did it. I'm only a part of it. So, you know my face, so you always give that credit to me. But I want to give the complete credit to the entire Association of Indo-Americans, a beautiful culmination of 38 plus Indian organizations. As you see, every person, every single community leader from all parts of India is here, part of these grand celebrations. People came, even the mainstream dignitaries, they came. Not possible without everyone's support, including our grand sponsors and attendees. They always trust the AIA, and they always believe DUSSEHRA Diwali DHAMAKA, the grand event that we put together, and it's amazing to see how people just call to find out when the Ravan Dahan is. So it's always, we are blessed. That's all I can say. We are blessed that we have all the mainstream dignitaries' support to hold such an amazing event here. And as always, you are here, Jasleen ji, and to cover all these events and take this to every single Indian and non-Indian out there in the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and we are also fully enjoying and we are loving here. Everyone is loving here, and we can see the vibrant shades of Indian culture here. This is a pure depiction of the grandest event of India, which is Diwali, in the grandest way ever. So thanks to you.
Dussehra and Diwali.
And Dussehra and Diwali together. And we had the glimpse of that Rath Yatra. Yes. So it's like Navratri and everything together.
Every single time it gives me goosebumps when I see everyone coming, even little kids coming and touching the Rath and pulling the Rath. It's always, I feel great that this is what teaches our kids the culture that we miss back home.
Council member of Fremont, Rath who is of Indian origin and is celebrating Diwali from so many years right here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Happy Diwali, and what's the feel this time?
Happy Diwali to you as well. It's a great time with our community. I've never went to so many Diwali functions in my life here in Fremont and Bay Area. We've been here over 40 years. And I've gone to so many Diwalis, so many Navratris, so many pujas. It's amazing. The community is vibrant, and they're all coming together to celebrate our rich culture.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Happy Diwali to you as well, and happy Diwali to all the wonderful viewers. Thank you.
and is supporting this wonderful event right here at Alameda County Fairgrounds in Pleasanter. Happy Diwali, Venkat.
Happy Diwali, happy Dussehra, happy Navaratri to all the audience, and we are grateful for a lot of people came to celebrate Diwali, Dussehra and Ravan Dahan today. And from Sankara Eye Foundation also I want to wish everyone happy Diwali. At Sankara, our goal is to perform 1 million sustainable free eye surgeries every year beginning 2030. We are currently doing 350,000 free eye surgeries, but we want to do 1 million beginning 2030. We need all your help.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful occasion. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to the Indian community in the Bay Area. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Thank you.
कहना था जो होठों से मैंने आँखों से वो कह लिया,
दिल में तेरे रहना है मुझको इस दुनिया में रह लिया।
Everyone, we have the Newark Mayor Alan Nagy and his entire team from the City Council celebrating Diwali with us. Happy Diwali!
Oh, thank you very much, and happy Diwali to you. I'm here with Vice Mayor Mike Hannon and Councilmember Mike Bucci.
What's your message on Diwali?
So that people could be sharing good over bad and the light over the darkness. And I think it's wonderful that you have these kinds of celebrations. And I've learned so much about traditions from different countries just from Diwali and the other events that you have.
Happy Diwali, and like the mayor said, you know, if we had more of these celebrations where we celebrated the goodness of each other over the darkness of everybody else, this nation and this country would be a much better place. So congratulations.
Yeah, from all the great events that we are allowed to come to throughout the year, this one is by far our favorite. So we're really looking forward to having some fun tonight too. Yeah.
Wonderful, and keep enjoying. Thank you so much.
Thank you.